Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we will discuss our today's exam of FGEI EST BPS 14. Okay, so this is complete solution by Physicist Hammad Shaukat. So at the end of this complete guide you will see the answer key. Okay, so we have all 50 by 50 MCQs here, so we have to complete each MCQs today. These are the MCQs for boys wings. Okay, so let's start the solution. This is basically today's test, 23rd February 2025 of Federal Government Educational Institute. Okay, for elementary school teacher EST BPS 14 grade. Okay, so there are total 50 MCQs, each having 2 marks. Okay, so you have to fill OMR sheets, you already know that. So let's check basically the MCQs. So this PDF is also provided in our channel. If you provide this, or you can provide any answer key, you can direct go to our WhatsApp channel where we daily provide it. Okay, so let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQs is, which of the following synonym for benchmark? Okay, so here the correct answer is answer D, rapid. Okay, this is the correct synonym of breakneck. Okay, complete the sentence with correct preposition. She writes dash blue ink. She writes in blue ink. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So next is change the voice. Have to change the voice. The question is, I know him. So here the correct answer is, he is known to me. Okay, change into indirect. He said to me, do you like rice? So here the correct answer is answer A. He asked me if I liked rice. Understood? Number fifth one is, if I had worked hard, I dashed the test. So here the correct answer is, if I hard worked, I would have passed the test. So the correct answer is answer C. Okay. Now the sixth one is, permission is a dash. So what's the correct answer is, it's basically approved. Okay. Choose the correct spelling for the missing word. My dash needs to be paid every month. So here the correct spelling is mortgage. Okay, this option B, mortgage. Okay, words have no link with their meanings. This is called. So what's the answer of this 8 MCQs is this. Okay, arbitrariness. Identify the exclamatory sentence. So the answer of this is this. What an amazing performance. Which of the following words is the best antonym of fortitude? Okay, so the answer of this question is weakness. Understood? Life is continuous changing process is the base of educational. So life is continuous changing process is based of educational philosophy. So here the correct answer is progressivism. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Moving towards 12th MCQs. Type of counseling force focuses on helping individual explore and understand his thought and feeling. So what does this correct answer is? So here this is non-directive. Okay, classroom environment will be teacher centered if teacher is. Here is the idealist. Which assessment method evaluates student learning outcomes during the lesson? So So what's the answer of this? This answer is formative. Understood? Teaching through deductive method is from. So the correct answer of this is this. Journal to specific. Okay. Number 16 is projective technique are used to measure the personality. Number 17, reliability of an assessment relates to the dash of an assessment. Okay, so the correct answer is answer C, consistency. Okay, pedagogy is Greek word which literally means dash the child. So here the correct answer is to lead. The most complex skill of Bloom's taxonomy is answer D. Okay. Which model of learning combines in-person instructions with online or digital component? So here the answer is answer C, blended. Okay. Which river does not flow on Pakistan land? So the correct answer is Beas River. Okay. What ordnance factory was constructed with the help of? The correct answer is Russia. Shariat bench in all high courts were established in. The correct answer is answer C, 1979. Okay. First diport of Pakistan was constructed in Lahore. So Syed Ahmad Khan founded the British Indian Association in which year? The correct answer is 1855. Okay. Which document is established is considered the precursor to the two-nation theory? Here the correct answer is Lucknow Pact. Which city is referred as the Switzerland of the East? The correct answer is Sawat. What is the total length of Pakistan international borders? The correct answer is answer B, 6774 kilometers. Due to 25 amendment in the 1973 constitution, the number of members of Senates are how many? There is 96. The correct answer is 96. Which Indian Prime Minister visited the Minare, Pakistan? So here the correct answer is answer D, Vajpayee. What is the phenomena of bending of light around a corner? So the answer of this is diffraction. Okay. Which type of wave is sound? So we all know that sound is a longitudinal wave. The SI unit of power is, you all know, is watt. Which type of reaction involves the exchange of ions? So the answer is double displacement. Which metal is extracted for bauxite? So the answer of this is aluminium. In human body, which organism is primarily responsible for regulating blood glucose level? Okay, so the answer of this is stomach. Which of the following is a viral disease? The correct answer is chickenpox. Which vitamin is produced by the human body when exposed to sunlight? The correct answer is vitamin D. The primary function of large intestine is water absorption. The main component of natural gas is methane. If you have an average score of X in 5 tests and you want to increase your average to Y after taking one more test, what score do you need on that last test? So the answer of this is simple, which is 6y minus 5x. Our dice is rolled. Okay, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? Okay, so the correct answer of this is 1 by 3. Okay, how many distant arrangements can be made from letter of word book? Here the correct answer is B, 12. How far from wall is 10-meter long ladder leaning against a wall forming angle 60 degree? Okay, so here the correct answer is answer B. What is the size of class interval? Okay, 4 minus 7. So the correct answer of this is answer B, 5. The next number in this series, the correct answer is answer D, which is 38. Okay, 47. So here the answer is 0. Which number is on multiplicative inverse? So the answer is minus 1. The mass of block A is 2.35 kg less than the mass of block B. The total mass of two blocks is 4 kg and 50 grams. What is the mass of block B in kg? So here the correct answer would be 2.15. So the last MCQs, which of the following measures the central tendency? So the correct answer is arithmetic mean. Okay, so here is the answer key of all the solutions of today's FGEI EST BPS 14. Okay, for boys. So this whole PDF is available in our channel. The link in the description below. If you want, you should have to join that channel, and all the contents would be shared there. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.